India's first fully faired electric sports bike has been launched a couple of months ago, which promises a good range, decorous performance, and affordable cost. When we think about electric vehicles in India, there are always electric scooters and electric cars in our mind. But Odyssey electric bike Evoque is the first electric sport bike in India. You will find more in this review. Team Electric U is concerned about the environmental changes and puts little efforts to promote the electric vehicles and renewable energy sources. In today's review of electric scooter, we will mainly focus on Evoque bike in India. Odyssey Evoque electric bike price in India starts at Rs 1.50 lakhs. Odyssey also has other popular models, that is Odyssey Hawk, Odyssey Racer and Odyssey Etugo. We discussed about Etugo in our previous video. In sync with the Indian government's policies to promote an adoption of the electric vehicles in the country, Odyssey Electric Vehicle Private Limited launch of its first electric sport bike Evoque in India. Using majorly local components, Evoque is made in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The sales have been carrying out by 11 showrooms right now across India. Odyssey Electric Bike Showroom is located in various cities of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. For the availability, we suggest to contact nearest Odyssey Electric Bike and Scooter dealer in your city. Does Odyssey Electric Bike Evoque is worth buying? Well, we spent a complete day with the bike to get all the answers for you at Odyssey dealer, which is located in Samtanagar, Vasai West in Palghar district of Maharashtra. On dealership name of Rides Electro, electric scooter and bikes. Owner of the dealership, Mrs. Priyanka, are so good to customers and Team Electric U that they provided a test drive of the vehicle and give complete information and knowledge about their products.
Welcome to Rides Electro. We are a franchisee for Odyssey electric vehicle. If you are looking for a vehicle in electric, we are dealing into scooters and bike. So welcome for a test drive. We are located at Vasai West, 60 Feet Road near KT Wadi Hall. Please welcome for a test drive.
Design of Odyssey Evoque electric bike. At a first glance, the design of Evoque looks quite attractive and bigger in size, but it is inspired by certain traditional Japanese sports bikes. At the front apron, like most modern day super bikes, LED projector headlight with LED DRL features are still the heart. Sharp character lines, semi-digital instrument console enhances the outlook. Semi-digital console includes battery charge, speed, trip meter, odometer and the turn indicators. Vehicles have significant looks from side. Both at front and rear, 17-inch alloy wheels are given, which provided ground clearance of 170 mm. That is good enough for Indian road conditions. Overall length, width, height of the Odyssey Evoque bike are 2060 mm, 740 mm, 1150 mm respectively. Wheelbase of 1410 mm is provided. With 750, seat height riding position of the vehicle are comfortable and also convenient for daily commutes. The gross weight of the vehicle is about 111 kg, where it can carry load up to 170 kg. In some bikes, there are noticeable and pointless stickers think you believe that it's a BMW bike. The plastic or fiber part looks odd at few places. Overall build quality is up to the mark. Fuel tank and its lock are also provided, but wish to see that Odyssey could have instead made a storage space there. Talking about the rear view mirrors, in which rider can only see the brake levers. There is no use of mirror except the sporty looks. Odyssey Electric Evoque specs, range and performance. Odyssey Evoque propelled by 3000 watt BLDC electric Bosch motor, which provides 6 HP peak power output, while the torque is 64 Nm. Motor gets power from 4.32 kWh lithium battery pack. The battery is fixed and located usually at the engine place. Odyssey electric bike Evoque claims mileage or range of 150 km in a single full charge, which is certified by CIRT. CIRT means Central Institute of Road Transport. Also, vehicle takes up to 6 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. Odyssey seems to have a good product, but also with a little bit more qualitative components, this will be breakthrough product for this segment. 15-watt charger helps to charge the bike. The length of the charging cord is 2 meters, but if you live in building except the ground floor, charging the bike will be an issue with the fixed batteries. Evoque has a top speed of 90 km per hour, where there it has 4 riding modes: drive, sports, reverse, and in addition to this, parking mode is provided. It takes some time to use to with operation modes. Sports mode gives us a noticeable push to ride at highways. As for Odyssey, 0 to 50 km per hour acceleration takes 4.2 seconds. With this speed, you can easily manage to overtake in between traffic conditions. At sport mode, you can feel the best experience. Odyssey Electric Evoque have dual discs in the front and a single disc at the rear. There is absence of ABS or CBS braking systems. Odyssey Evoque features include adjustable windshield, remote start, push start button, and anti-theft lock. In Evoque, there are fire red, lime green, magna silver, candy blue color variants are available. Company offers 3 years warranty on the battery and the 1 year manufacturing warranty on the bike. For servicing of the bike, company schedule maintenance appointments at 6 months, 9 months, and at the 12 months. Thanks and regards to Odyssey electric scooters and Rides electric scooter and bike. Stay tuned.